Hello guys, welcome back to another video of an average firmer. Today we will solve LeetCode's daily challenge problem 2924, find champion, and the problem requires to return the strongest team in a group of teams. Okay, so let's see our first example. Here we can say that 0 is stronger than 1 and 1 is stronger than 2. So in this case, our strongest team is team number 0. So we just need to return 0. For our next example, we have 4 teams. And let's say that 0 is stronger than 2, 1 is stronger than 2, and 1 is stronger than 3. So in this case, 0 and 1 are at the same level of strength. So we just need to return -1. Okay, so the first thing that you might think to do is, okay, I'm going to be doing a DFS to each node, and I'm going to see all the weakest teams for that team. But there is an easier way to do this. And actually, if I didn't check the concept of in degree and out degree of a node in a directed graph, I would have gone through that way, but I'm going to be showing you the best solution. So in this case, I'm just going to create a sequence of numbers, and I'm going to be doing this through the keys function of an array, and I'm going to put all those numbers in the variable nums array. Okay, after this, I'm just going to create a set, and I'm going to be using the constructor of passing the array, and that's good because I don't need to be adding manually all the values in my set. So I'm just going to be passing my array through the constructor. Okay, so after this, I'm just going to be removing all the nodes that have an edge pointing to that node. So this is represented through only deleting the nodes that have edges pointing to that node. That's my for loop. After this, I'm going to be using an iterator to access the values that were not removed from my set. And after this, I'm just going to use an if statement, and I'm going to say the following. If the size of my set is bigger than 1, then that means that there are 2 or more teams that have the same strength. So I'm just going to be returning 1. And in the other case, I'm just going to be returning the value of that team, because this means that there is only one team in the set. So yeah, I'm going to be running my solution, and this should be passing. Okay, and if I submit my my code, this should be passing too. Okay, so as you can see, the time complexity for this is order of n, and hope this was useful for you. And thank you so much, and see you in another video. Bye.